Determine the available chlorine in the given sample of bleaching powder. This video explains about the determination of available chlorine in the given sample of bleaching powder. Pipette out 20 ml of bleaching powder solution into a clean conical flask. Add a 25 gram of sodium potassium iodide and 100 ml of acetic acid to the bleaching powder solution. Titrate this solution against 0.1 normality of sodium thiosulfate solution taken in the burette with continuous shaking till the appearance of light yellow color. Then add 1 ml of freshly prepared starch solution to it. A blue color appears. Continue the titration with sodium thiosulfate solution till the blue color disappears. Repeat the titration for concordant values. Note down the volume of sodium thiosulfate solution consumed. Observation: calculation. Result: the percentage of available chlorine present in the given sample of bleaching powder is equal to 55.9%.